You just found this video, so you get to be let in and on a secret. There's no such thing as a free website builder. No, doesn't exist. All the ones that advertise that restrict so many features down to the free version that almost everyone pays, or they give up and don't use that website builder. So don't get lured in by free website builder, because it's actually going to cost you probably about $50 a month or more, right? Depending on the features that you expect, which is why you clicked on cheapest website builder. That's smarter than saying free, because all the free ones, to be honest, really stink. And if you do go with the free version, you are going to be so unhappy with what it offers that you're not going to use it. Mighty Sites is the answer. Click on the link below. We're going to keep this video short. It's only $9 a month. That's it. $9 a month for a simple, professional, one-page website for your small business. If that's what you're looking for, you just found a video on the cheapest website builder. I don't have to tell you anything more. You can check out the other videos that tell you how to use it. You try for yourself and see how easy it is to use and how cheap it is to represent your business simply and professionally online. That's it. Click on it. You'll try it. If you like this video, subscribe. We're going to keep cut to the chase, great tips to help you grow your business, because we know your time's valuable. Let's end this video. Talk to you later. Bye.